y'all, this is my toolbox. It's not bad, it's pretty good.
Thank you, sir. Alright. The fourth drawer, we have all my sockets and everything. As you see, I bought the socket organizers to help me keep it cleaned up and everything. I got my razor blade, my pocket knife, and my flashlight in there. Second one, I got all my friggin' pliers, thank you, and my chisels and everything, and some what were those things called?
I just want to close it off right now. So
One below that, we have more wrenches. Alright, down here we have all my screwdrivers and socket screwdrivers in case you can't get your ratchet in there. Here we got all miscellaneous like my magnet, my scraper, my wire cutters, my rubber mallet, my ball peen hammer, and my brush. And in the last drawer, we got all the big stuff. We got the bigger wrenches, my torque wrench, bigger ball peen hammer. Over here, got all my ratchets and my adjustable wrenches and my extenders. I got my welding gloves and my work gloves in this one. And here, I got my drill. And in there, I got every torque socket in there. And here I got my more gloves, my bag, and in here I got my diagnostics and everything in there. And then up here we still got the hex, all the hex screwdriver or the hex sockets and everything. And I did buy the socket organizer. It is very handy to keep.